Um, this is actually okay. So far, again, quick review lang ng generic unit. Sensors are okay. It's working. 1 year ko na siya ginagamit. No problem at all. But I'm having problems with this one. Kasi I think the battery is starting to fail. Fully charge mo siya, and then suddenly, like couple of hours later, biglang ubus na siya bigla. So, that's a sign na nag-deteriorate na yung battery. Yun nga eh. This is solar kuno, but actually, hindi siya okay na ibababad mo siya sa araw para mag-charge. Kasi, ang ayaw ng lithium battery is yung init. So, iniinit mo siya, arawan mo siya, direct sunlight, sisira talaga siya. So, yun yung ironic doon. So, if you get your unit like this one, tago mo na lang siya na hindi siya maarawan. Charge mo na lang siya using yung 2025 model na micro USB. Yeah, it's provided, or you can get yung sa Type C, tapos may adapter lang siya na kakabit mo lang ganun para yung Type C mo magiging micro or something like that. You can do that. So, ayun. Parang ganyan yung itsura niya. Again, going back. Ito yung temperature. It's sensing the temperature. Pero pressure wala kasi hindi nakakabit yung sensors. And then, ito yung battery ng unit. And of course, yung changes to bar or PSI, napapalitan yan. And then this one, Celsius or Fahrenheit. Yun yung napapalitan niya. And then right now, it's sensing na dahil wala, akala niya flat yung gulong. So, yeah.